What's going on, guys? It's your boy Suchi back. It is 8 in the morning. I'm about to head out to the Stop Asian Hate rally. It's like a big car rally with a couple of my friends. And man, this is a little different from the normal squad, right? You guys know I got the FD. I'm bringing the FD, of course. But we got a GTR, and we have my buddy's 328, and we have another M4. Oh, a foot? 435. All right, that's an M55 and an M4. Dang, man. Dude, this thing's clean, man.
Thank you.
There's no way I can run this. There's no way I can run this shit. Hell no. Oh, hell no, there's no way.
Whenever else I gotta do this.
Hold on, wait, what's that? E85? You're cheating, bro. That's not fair.
Bro.
That's not fair.
Uh-uh.
Man, you already know I was gonna lose when we all had to pull into the E85 station. Everyone's filling up but me. That's when you know I already lost. Jesus Christ, dude.
You saw that Hellcat?
Yeah, dude, yeah. I wish I got that on film, dude. I was too busy trying to keep up. Oh my God.
Hey guys, as you can see, this footage is super overexposed. I had it on the wrong settings and I did not care to check. So basically, yeah, all the GoPro footage got messed up. So I'm just gonna have footage of the actual meet itself.
Ooh, just pulled up, man. Got the whole squad. Yeah, this GTR walked me, but it's okay. I'm gonna put the clip right after this. But yeah, I got walked by this GTR. Full bolt on stage 1. There's no way I was taking that thing. There's no way. Absolutely no way in hell, man. Yeah, it looks clean though. Should I leave the headlights up? Maybe I'll put him down, bro. Actually, everyone else got him up. Nah, I'm gonna put him down. It's always a hard decision whether to leave your headlights up or put them down. But I think the cleaner look right now is the headlights down, you know? Oh my God, dude. Damn. Jeez. Dude, these GTRs. Are these street legal? No, they probably.
It's a right-hand dress.
Holy. Wait. Holy. Dude. I'm pretty sure I've seen this one driving on the highway one time, but he didn't have plates. Not that you can't plate it, so.
You're a little far from there? Okay.
There's so many cars here, man. Oh my God. Do you see this? Dude, this is insane, dude. There's so many. Jesus Christ. There now. Hella bars. Jeez. This is loud, man. Ooh, FD. That's 15? That's an S15. Another RX-7?
Massive. And it's a hybrid. Right?
Oh, NSX. Oh, damn. Those are real This is a real NSX, man. This is a Gen 2 also. Oh my God. Bro, is it 5-speed? Wait. Oh, it's 6-speed? Isn't that SXR?
Yeah.
Holy cow. This thing is nice, man. Oh, he's running big. He's running big tires, bro. He's running the big setup. BBS? Ooh. I think it's a Mark III. Wait, VA? Oh, it's swapped, dude. Got a small block in there. Probably 350 small block. A 240 if someone's sleeping in it. Is that a dude? It's a Supra. Dang. Got a couple Supras here. Shit. god. Yeah, I know. Look at this real quick. Oh my god.
Eric, this reminds me of your dad, bro.
Yeah, dude.
This shit is clean.
It wasn't this low though. That's the thing. I would want mine like I want mine like this low, dude. He's still yeah. Dude, this thing's low. The 5-speed? Yeah, it's a 5, dude. That's how you know it's the OG Gen 1. Sir. Oh my god, dude, this thing is so clean. These were cheaper. Oh man.
The issue is that if you're this low, you can like, it's hard to drive it on the back roads out here.
Oh dude, hey man, low, it's fine.
But you'll be scraping the
You
shit out
just
of
scrape,
everyone.
you just scrape, man, you know.
On Skyline, you
The
be
low life.
scraping
Oh no, I've driven Stan's cars on 9. It's, you know, it works. It's not well,
Yeah.
but I mean, I don't know.
I like going fast too much to get low like
To get low, hey, everyone's got their own build, you know.
I do too. It's different.
Shit. Oh my god, EG hatch too.
Bro, I stopped on this fat ass lip right here. Swollen, remember?
Huh?
Bro, I told you I wanted a big lip.
Oh yeah,
I got
yeah.
that fat ass one.
Well, you cracked it? Or did you crack it?
No, I wrapped it in 3 pieces.
Oh, you wrapped it. Oh. Yeah, I don't even notice it, man. I don't even notice it.
You say what?
How did you get here?
Like 7:30? I love it.
Oh, is this Gustavo too?
Yeah.
He's here too. Gustavo pulled up.
Oh, you guys were over there?
Well, it's another FD. Hey.
You guys, I met up with you guys.
FD. Oh, wait a minute.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Wait a minute. Damn it, dude, that one swapped. Need some high horsepower.
Basically, it comes stock on all the interpretation. Yeah, it is.
Damn, bro. These HREs? Yeah, these are HREs, I think.
That ain't it.
This guy's low, dude. These guys are low as shit. These guys are
I
low.
had clearance issues.
These guys are low, man. Oh, some of these they're all 370s.
Yeah.
All with the Amuse bumpers. Shit. Oh, what's up? Wait, who do you come with? You drive your car?
I came with them.
Oh, with the high octane tuner. Damn, all these. Nice. Swing it, bro. Hey, she's gonna swing it. Oh, Andrew. No, not the same, right? Not the same. Is that an M4?
Yeah,
Is that M4? This is an M3. That's yeah. Damn, bro. Hey, she about to swing it. Yup.
You sure that's the SVP rezoner?
Can he drive? Can he drive? You know what DK stands for? Donkey Kong.
They swinging it. Hey. That 2J? I think it's a 2J.
Oh my god. That is
Oh, it's literally a 2J. I think it's probably making at least 600 a wheel. I don't know, just judging by the size of that and like everything. Like, I don't know, man. You just gotta full, like, I don't know. I never want to run against those guys. Oh, this guy was at the meet too. This guy in the Supra. Yo, is that a Supra?
I want to see like a rocket.
Dang. Sheesh. Yup. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This whole lot. We got the lineup. Check it out. Oh, GTR, RX-7. We got a 328, 335. No, 435. A 435 with the N55 motor. Andrew's M4 allegedly. Allegedly, it's his M4. Not after. What do you mean? During the polls, it wasn't Andrew. It was Andrew's twin brother.
Yeah.
So it was Andrew's twin brother.
Twin brother.
And then we got
in Mexico.
in Mexico.
I'm Andrew's twin
It
brother.
was Andrew's twin brother. In the Lamborghini. Okay.
Honestly, we're outside.
All right, got the Camaro squad. All right.
Megatron looking.
So one random ass Supra right in the middle, just alone. Hold on.
Look at the line
Hold
of
on.
boosted
Yeah.
Civics.
These Civics are probably fast as
Yeah,
shit.
bro.
These Civics can probably walk me. Very nice.
Oh, thank you.
EG? Yeah. What do you, is it D15? D16?
Oh yeah, that's what it had.
That's what it had. That's what it had. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like.
Right now it's a USGSR.
Oh, you got a V18C1 in it? Yeah.
But
With the
it'll,
tranny too?
Yes.
Nice. No, I have a GSR myself. That's why I really like them in these cars. They're faster. Which one?
The 1M.
Oh, dude, that thing's insane.
Yeah.
Wait, it's a hat or it's a?
It's a hash.
It's a hat.
There's so little of them in the country.
Dude, so many Dude, I'm like getting cultured right now. There's so many BMWs. I rolled with.
Hey, join the.
I rolled with all BMWs. I was about to buy a BMW too. I was about to buy a 335. I love the N55s and N54s. They're like the 2Js of Germany. Some may say.
Oh, look at that NSX, bro.
Yeah.
The action.
Yeah. But do you have an what's F30?
I have an F30. He has an F32.
What's an F80? Is that not?
F80 is Andrew. Or that's M3. F82 is Andrew.
Yeah.
Oh, F80's
M3.
M4.
F80 is M3.
Oh.
F82 is M4.
F82? Oh, okay. So let me check this out. Let me check this out real quick.
Stopped at 2011, Rick, or 12.
2012? Oh. Hybrid works. Yeah, that's where I tuned mine. It's a
B16.
Oh, it's a B16. Oh, fuck yeah, you got the VTEC heads on it. B16. Is it stock? Stock B16? No.
Swapped it. Came with it. These only came stateside with a D16.
Oh, that's right. Wait. Because
They
it's a
only
Civic
came
SI.
They only came with this motor and the SIRs in Japan.
And then Japan. Okay. So you swapped this. Okay.
Oh, this is the BMW with the ARC8s that we saw.
I see. Wow, dude, this thing's probably quick. Jesus Christ.
There's an SB Beamer too.
Damn. Oh, I remember this.
It's this fucking.
Hey.
I'll do a little blap blap. You want to?
Okay, yeah, dude. Hey, for the vlog, bro. For the vlog. I didn't ask for that. Hey, I saw that one.
I was like, this looks really familiar.
Yeah, I was like, this looks familiar. Yup. Looks familiar.
Hey, what's it called? What exhaust do you have right now?
I just have a muffler lead. Muffler dual red.
Oh,
Dual
you
res?
got both?
You have MHD tune on it? No,
He has a
MHD.
BM3 tune for sure.
Oh, BM. Oh.
There's no way you got that going on stock.
Everybody gotta do BM3, bro. I was like, that's the way
He
right
does
now.
too. I'm like, bro, I probably will in a bit, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
Bro, I'm
What's up?
trying to catch the next one.
Oh, okay.
If anyone's down, though.
Oh.
If not,
We'll see.
What?
use it in the slow lane.
We might be able to run it. We'll see. Shit, man.
It's good. Friendly runs as always.
Yeah, friendly runs. Yeah.
That's my motto.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Hey.
Take care, bro.
You too.
See you guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
nice
sir.
seeing you too.
That's the muffler delete on an N55, dude.
That's an N55? Let me get some good B-roll here. Oh, sorry. Yo, this is a guy from the highway. That lined up with Andrew.
Sir.
This thing is. That thing was quick, man.
I want to do a Wi-Fi.
Oh, we got
The
another.
more I look at it, I want a Wi-Fi.
We got another car. Oh,
It's nice.
is this an S4? Nice. Shit. These are all wheel.
This is 1,000 horsepower right now.
Really?
Yeah.
1,000 wheel?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That was a what? What did I do?
He has 1,000 horsepower this thing.
It's 1,000 to the wheel? Shit.
V12, bro.
Oh shit.
V16.
Hey, what's up, guys? It was a shorter video today because mainly it was just like we went to the anti-Asian hate rally. Basically the car meet, that was the whole point of it. I cruised with some, oh my, this is the first time I ever cruised with like GT, like high-end cars, so I was trying to line up with them, but then I was like, you know, I don't think this I don't think this is gonna work out, and it didn't. Like, I'm pretty sure they would have walked me, but yeah, it was a fun cruise. I guess how my car was, yeah, it was blowing flames in the day. I didn't know that, but my friend caught it on video, so. Overall, good day though. It's only 1 p.m. too, by the way, when I'm editing this. I woke up at 7 in the morning to go to this, so. Oh man, I'm tired, but yeah, I'll edit this video, put it out for you guys, and once again, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and like the video. It would really help it out, or help the channel out, sorry. And yeah, thanks guys, have a good day.
Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a